Hi, this is David. Welcome back to my channel. You may see this kind of anime avatar on YouTube. Many popular YouTube channels are using this kind of anime avatar. In today's video, I will share the method of creating this kind of anime avatar with AI. And believe me, after watching this video, you will be an expert in making this kind of avatar. So, without further ado, let's dive in. To create an anime avatar, first, we need to create the avatar portrait. You can do it with any portrait or image generator. I will use Leonardo AI to do this. After coming to the Leonardo AI dashboard, select 3D animation style as your featured model. After selecting the featured model, we have to enter the prompt. I will enter portrait of a 25-years-old man sitting on a chair in a studio, looking straight at a camera in center, a laptop on a table in front of him. He is talking to the camera, wearing a hoodie, colorful, cyberpunk, portrait, setting straight, font view. You can use your own or can use my prompt. After entering the prompt, hit the generate button. And here it is. Leonardo AI generated 2 images for us. If you don't like the portrait, you can generate it again. And here are they. That one looks so good. If you don't want the face mask, then just delete the face mask part of the prompt and generate it again. And here is our result. Okay, I will use this one as my anime avatar. Select the one you want to use. After selecting the image, upscale it by clicking here. Now you can see the quality of the image. It's far better than the original one. Okay, let's click on the download icon from here to save the image on your device. Alright, our portrait is ready. Now it's time to select a voice for him. You can record your own voice or generate a voice with AI. This time I will generate a voiceover with AI. If you want to use your own voice, you can skip this part. To generate the voice, I will use Descript AI. It's an in-one AI tool for content creators. You can generate or edit videos and podcasts, clone your voice, create transcription, and many more. To start creating, click on Get Started for free from here. Now create an account with your email or Google account. After creating the account, you can download the Descript app for your Mac or Windows OS. If you want to use the web version, come to the Features tab from here and then select AI Voice. Now click on Get Started for free. Select your use case role. I will select the creator. On the next page, you will see the pricing list of Descript. If you want to buy the subscription, you can buy it. This time I will use the free version. To do this, click on Get Started from here. After that, give answers to some questions. Just follow the steps. Okay, now you can see some tutorials about various topics. You can watch them if you want. I will move forward. Come to the Project tab from here. Now click on the New button and select Audio Project to create a new project. Give a name to your project. After that, click here. Now enter your script or text. You can upload a text file by clicking here. I will enter this video intro script. After entering the script, click on Add Speaker from here and then select AI Stock Speaker. Now select one of the voice actors.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important.
After all is set, hit the play button to generate the audio. Once it's completed, you can hear a preview.
Hi, this is David. Welcome back to my channel. You may see this kind of anime avatar on YouTube.
If you are satisfied with the voiceover, click on the Publish button from here. Now to download the video, click on the download icon from here, and our voiceover has been generated. Alright, our avatar and audio are ready. Now let's bring life to our avatar. And to do this, I will use ArtFlow AI. It's a tool for creating storytelling videos. But today I won't explore so much. I will make a separate video on it. Okay, now we have to create an account first. Come to the left tool panel and then click on Sign Up from here. Now create an account with your email and Google account. After creating the account, come to the left tool panel and select the Video Story tool. Here you will notice some template videos. We don't need it. Click on New Video from here. This is the ArtFlow video creator page. First, the background scene. You can add background to your scene. As we generate our avatar with a proper background, we don't need it. Come to the Character tab from here. You will notice some pre-built characters here, but we won't use them. So, come to the Upload tab, and then upload the avatar generated by Leonardo AI. After uploading the avatar, insert it into the canvas. You can notice that AI is detecting the face. As you can see, there is a mic icon. We have to activate it. To do this, click here. Now we have to add our dialogue. You can use the ArtFlow AI voice generator to create dialogue, but we have the voiceover already, so click on the Upload tab from here. Now upload the voiceover file. After uploading the voiceover, click on Use this audio. After that, you can add some animation also, but this time I will skip it. Alright, now click on the Export button from here to download the final video. Give a name to your video clip, and then hit the Export Video button. Now it will take some time to render the video. Let's fast forward this part. Okay, our video is ready. Click on the video, you can see a preview here.
Hi, this is David. Welcome back to my channel, Avatar.
To download the video, click on the download button from here, and our video has been saved on our device. Let's play the video.
Hi, this is David. Welcome back to my channel. You may see this kind of anime avatar on YouTube. Many popular YouTube channels are using this kind of anime avatar. In today's video, I will share the method of creating this kind of anime avatar with AI. And believe me, after watching this video, you will be an expert in making this kind of avatar.
You may notice a watermark here. To remove it, you can buy an ArtFlow subscription or can use another AI tool to remove the watermark. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating an anime avatar with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!